Hi guys, it is Miss McCoy here, and I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Spark. If you've already used it before, you may not need this video. So what we're going to do here is we are in our Rapid Identity. You're going to go to Adobe Spark, which looks like this with the SP on it. It is most likely going to ask you to log in. I'm already logged in. The login process shouldn't be hard with Rapid Identity. If you click the login with Google, you should be able to get in really easy. If you can't, please message me. Okay, to start making our Valentine's card, which is our project for February, we are going to click here on this plus sign, and we are going to click the one that says flyer. Adobe Spark has a lot of cool things, so a lot of the times it does take a minute to load everything, so we have to be a little patient. Alright, once we are here, we have our templates for our flyers. We want to erase this word flyer, and we want to look up specific things that go with what we are making, and we are making Valentine's cards. So we can look up Valentine's, and there's going to be a lot of different templates we can choose from. You are welcome to choose any of these. You could put the word heart. Anything that has to do with Valentine's, red, love, anything that you choose. I kind of like this purple one. It's cute, so I can go with this one. And again, you can also scroll down and look at all the different options that they have. Okay, so I'm going to go with the purple one. Alright, it says happy anniversary, but I'm going to create from this template, but I do not have to keep any of the words that are on there. I can change everything and make it exactly how I want it. So instead of happy anniversary, of course, I'd want it to say happy Valentine. Oh, I don't need it to be all capitalized. So happy Valentine's Day. Okay, and I do like that font, so I'm going to keep this down here for a second, change this up just a little bit, there we go. Alright, I like to center it, and that's a little small for me, so what I'm going to do is over here, if you'll see, we have, it says 24.2, so we could change the font size. You can use the drop down arrow and use the preset font sizes, or you can just click in here. And I know 24 is too small for me. I want to go bigger, so let me try 30. That's pretty good, but maybe I could go 35. Right, that's better for me. And I'm just typing in the number and pressing enter. So happy Valentine's Day right here. And then right here, I want to start talking about myself, introducing myself. Hi, my name is Miss McCoy. I am a 4th grade teacher at Pope. My favorite thing to learn about is science. So remember, we said we're going to introduce ourselves, tell them what grade you are in and what school you go to, and then give them one kind of fun fact about you. Alright, it's definitely not the font color I want because I can't really see it, and it is a little bit too big. I can stretch this out however I want. I know that I don't want it that large, so I'm going to change it to 25. It's a little bit better. I'm definitely going to change the color. So right here, this is the text color. I'm going to choose a darker color so that they are able to read it. And I'm going to stretch it out horizontally. Okay, awesome. So that is the first piece. And then we also want to give them an encouraging message, or you could even write a quote that you know from somebody else. So over here, I don't have any more text boxes, and I don't really want to add it to this one. I want it to be separate. So over here you have all these things. You could add a photo. You could look on a photo online. You can add a photo. You can add icons, backgrounds, logos. I haven't even explored all of that, so you are welcome to do that. But if you wanted to add a text box, you click here on text. And you can start from these templates if you like any of these fonts, or how like this one goes in the circle. Some of these fonts are really awesome, but if not, if you want to just add your own text and change your font and your colors later on, you can click add text right here. I do like this one, so maybe I'll do this. Okay, and of course I don't want it to say what it says, so I'm going to change it to stay strong. And you know you have people rooting for you. Just some sort of inspirational message for them. Could be a quote that you like as well. I can make that a little bit bigger, however I want it to be. And I do have that arrow in there that I don't love. But if there's something that you don't love, like I double clicked on the arrow, what I can do is I can double click on it. Once I see that it is selected, I can press the backspace button on my keyboard and delete it. Well, maybe. Sorry, I'm not sure why it won't let me delete it. Oh, there it goes. I just had to move it away, I guess. Okay, oh, of course. Here we go. I don't know if you know a trick, guys, but if I move something the wrong way and I don't want to move it, if you press Control Z, it will undo what you just did. Alright, so I kind of like mine right now. Of course, I can add more. I could add pictures, photos, icons. Even if you wanted to add a picture of yourself or a picture of a quote, you could do that. So this is just a simple version of what I'm making for time's sake. You can make your own awesome things and take your time on it. So up here, once I'm done, I'm going to press download, and you're going to download it as a PNG or a JPEG. It doesn't really matter to me. Just please don't do a PDF. And then you're going to start download. Go ahead and choose your background style. If this pops up on yours, choose solid color. We don't want it to be transparent. We want it a solid color. Alright, so I don't know if you saw it, but down at the bottom it did download right here. It usually names it for you, My Post or something like that. So kind of look down here when you download it so you know what the name of it is. You can always go back and change the name of it yourself. And then when you are done here, you're going to go into our Canvas course for Student Council, and I will have a place where you can upload a file. So you'll upload this there so we can print them out and get them sent to them. Please message me if you need any help.